Hello friends, today's video would be useful to all students who are studying from 8th to 12th standard. We learn something interesting called as Pascal's Triangle. Let us consider a few numbers in a form of a triangle like this. Let's write only ones at the ends like this. And let us start adding these elements. So 1 and 1 together become 2. 1 and 2 becomes 3. 2 and 1 on adding becomes 3. 1 and 3 becomes 4. 3 and 3 becomes 6. 3 and 1 again 4. 1 and 4, 5. 4 and 6, 10. 6 and 4, 10. 4 and 1, 5, etc. You can keep doing it. Now the best part of these numbers is that if we ask you what is 11 raised to 1, the answer is 11. What is 11 raised to 2? The answer is 121. What is 11 raised to 3? The answer is 1, 3, 3, 1, and so on. But the more interesting thing about this Pascal triangle is binomial expansion. Binomial, as the name sounds, it involves two terms expansion. So let us consider a binomial expansion of degree 1. So answer will be simply a plus b. If you have a plus b whole square, you are taught it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. If it is a plus b the whole cube, then it is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Till here, you might be quite familiar with your school syllabus. If we ask you what is a plus b raised to 4, then that can be written as a raised to 4 plus 4a cube b plus 6a square b square plus 4ab cube plus b raised to 4. Let's take one more. Say we have a plus b raised to 5. I know you are thinking, how have these values come? I'll explain you shortly. A raised to 5 plus 5a raised to 4 into b plus 10 a cube b square plus 10 a square b cube plus 5 a b raised to 4 plus b raised to 4, and so on and so on. You can keep doing it for the higher degrees as well. If you observe these numbers carefully, especially the coefficients, you are realizing that the coefficient of a and b both here is 1, 1. While in a plus b whole square's expansion, the coefficients of the terms are 1, 2, and 1. While this is 2 here. While a plus b the whole cube has the coefficients as 1, then 3, then 3, and then 1. By now you are able to recollect, or you can try to connect the first answer. See 1, 1, then you have 1, 2, 1, then you have 1, 3, 3, 1, then you have 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So when you have a plus b the whole raised to 4, the coefficients are 1, 4, 6, 4, and 1 again. While when you see a plus b raised to 5, the coefficients are 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. That can be seen here. 1, 5, 10, and then you have 10 again, 5, and 1 here. One more interesting thing observed here is that if the degree is 2, the number of terms in expansion are 3. So if degree is 3 here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. So in a binomial expansion, that is 2 terms raised to a natural number, will always give you one number of element more than the degree given here. So when you have degree 5, you have 6 terms in the expansion: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. One more special quality in the expansion, if you are observing, is that if the first term's degree is 3, that is A's degree is 3, then the next term is such that the degree of A reduces by 1, while B degree, which was absent here, starts coming up. While in the next term, A's degree reduces by 1 further, while B degree increases by 1. And finally, A's degree becomes 0, so A raised to 0 is 1, so it vanishes, and B's degree becomes 3. So now it's easy for us to understand that if the degree is 4 here, the next time A's degree will become 3, then 2, then 1, and finally A raised to 0 is 1. While B's degree here was 0, becomes 1, B raised to 1, then B raised to 2, B raised to 3, and finally B raised to 4, which is the highest degree of the question. So if we try to create a one more pattern like this, say we write 1 and 1 here, and we write 1 plus 5, 6, 5 and 10 is 15, 10 and 10, 20, 10 and 5, 15, 5 and 1, 6. Now we have 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1, and let's try to do A plus B the whole raised to 6. Let's try expanding. So we know A raised to 6, then we know it's going to be A raised to 5 and B will come, then it will be A raised to 4 and B square will come. Again A's degree will reduce by 1, so it is A cube into B cube. A's degree will further reduce by 1, so it will become A square B raised to 4. A's degree will further reduce by 1, so it will become A into B raised to 5. And finally, A's degree becomes 0 and B's degree becomes 6. And the coefficients are 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1. So it becomes 1, then 6, then 15, then 20, and then you have 15 again, then you have 6 here, and then you have 1. And you can put the signs as plus in between. So this becomes the binomial expansion of A plus B the whole raised to 6. Let's take last example. Say we have A minus B raised to 5. Let's try writing the answer. So it will become A raised to 5, then A raised to 4 into B, then A raised to 3 into B square, then A into B cube, and then A square into B cube. Then it is A into B raised to 4, and finally B raised to 5. The coefficients in the fifth degree were 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So your answer will be 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, and 1. That's what you had, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. And because the sign in between is minus, write alternate plus and then a minus. So first term is plus, next minus, then again a plus, a minus, a positive sign, and a negative sign. I hope you have understood this.